In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Slack notifications from GitHub Actions. This setup is a simple and reliable way to keep your team updated whenever a build succeeds, a deployment fails, or important repository activity happens. The overall process is straightforward. First, you'll create a Slack incoming webhook, then store that webhook securely in GitHub, and finally connect it to your workflow file so notifications are sent automatically. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack app console. From there, create a new app and choose the option to build it from scratch. Give the app a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose, then select the Slack workspace where you want the notifications to appear and create the app. Once the app is ready, use the left sidebar and open the incoming webhook section under Features. Turn on incoming webhooks so Slack can receive messages from external services. After that, scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the Slack channel where you want these updates posted, then allow the connection. Slack will generate a webhook URL for you. Copy that URL and keep it secure because this is the key that allows GitHub Actions to send messages into your Slack channel. Next, switch over to GitHub and open the repository you want to connect. Go to the repository settings, then look for the security area in the left sidebar. Open secrets and variables and choose actions. This is where you can safely store sensitive values without exposing them in your code. Create a new repository secret. For the name, enter Slack webhook URL exactly in uppercase. Then paste the webhook URL you copied from Slack into the secret value field and save it. Storing it this way is important because it keeps your webhook private and prevents accidental exposure inside your workflow file. Now open your code editor and navigate to your GitHub Actions workflow file, usually located in the .github/workflows directory. Open your main pipeline file or whichever YAML file controls your build and deployment process. At the bottom of the active jobs steps, just after your test or deployment commands, add a Slack notification step using the rtcamp action Slack notify runner. In that step, reference the secret you created by setting the Slack webhook environment value to the repository secret. Then define the Slack channel, a username for the bot, a color that changes based on Chibi status, a type